Hi, welcome to MarineMax in Beaufort, Georgia. My name is Stuart Caldwell. Today we're going to take a look at our Crest I 220. This particular model has tan interior. It has two loungers up front. Towards the middle we have captain's chairs. You also have your helm that has a volt reader, RPM reader, and fuel gauge. You also have the captain's cooler cup, as well as the Fusion stereo. This model has a very large bimini top, and towards the back you have loungers, or you can convert these into an additional seat for more people. So if you would, please stop by and see us here at 5800 Lanier Islands Parkway, MarineMax in Beaufort, Georgia. Again, my name's Stuart. Thanks.